guys, welcome back to Redneck Garage. Thanks for tuning in. This week's video is going to be a dual exhaust setup on the ZFORCE. I will have this exhaust for sale, but I don't know, I might keep it and use it as a template to start making them. We'll see how that goes, but ain't nothing to it but getting to do it. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. That way you don't miss anything. We're going to do a true dual exhaust, which means we're going to get rid... I mean, it's hot. I just drove it to work today. Actually, not that. It's hot, but it's not. Anyway, I just drove it to work today and just got home, made me some grub. We're going to get doing her. So, let's get to it, guys. I know, didn't I? Kind of hardcore. Hose pliers, best pliers to do these springs. There she is. Alright guys, you just seen us take this Y off. This goes from the back head to the front head or I should say, this would be the back head, this would be the front head, this would be out. We need this flange here. And we also need these, but not yet, we don't. So we're gonna reuse these, we're gonna reuse this flange. We're gonna cut that off right about there. Now we have to cut this straight end off up here. We only have one problem. You can see it. This is our straight. This is going to be for our driver's side exhaust. Okay. We're going to weld that. We got to clean it up first. We're going to weld that on there. It's going to look like this. It's going to look like this. Just like that, boys. Got her nice and clean. We just gotta tack weld that puppy up. I'm gonna go see how it fits. Alright guys, we're back. Remember we measured out where we're gonna put those. Now I just have to figure out, excuse me. Okay. Let's go back like that so it'll be on the sides. We gotta go on like that. So, we're checking. Pump is on. Attach. Oh, oh, to hell no. I say we should have enough. Muffler. All right, guys. camera footage died. Well, the camera battery died while we was fitting this for the back head. This is what I got. It don't look that great for now, but we're gonna do our best to make her look good. So here goes. I put the second battery in. I thought it was charged. It's at 29%. So let's get what we can done while we can. All right. Here, I'll tap it up. We got some gas to fill. Get burnt, I feel it. Now, look at that, we're going to clean this, fully clean the walls up, paint it, but we're going to get together next time to work. When we rest it, we'll paint it, I'll crack it again. Get better welding. You can hear it when I close the hole. It gets those little holes right on the edge. Another trigger. Listen guys, I'm not gonna machine shop this, we're just kind of going flow, and I will take it right. Alright guys, we're gonna fire it up. I promise you I've not even fired it up, so I wanted to show you guys how I did this, because this last part was so tricky. I didn't want to get it on camera. I didn't have the patience to. But do you see what I had to do there? I had to cut the part off, the original part off of this, and then notch out that pipe, make a bend. You see that? That's for the rear cylinder. Not too hard. Alright guys, let's see what she sounds like. Curious. I haven't heard it yet. That's not bad. But we're gonna do it with those in, and we're gonna do it with them out. Sound of that better. We're gonna take the baffles out, see what she says. All right, I took the little caps out on the baffle.